Hello there, and welcome to NFT Empire. Have you heard of CoinPoker? It's a revolutionary blockchain-based platform that uses USDT as its main in-game currency, offering all the benefits of the crypto world while playing poker. In this video, we'll talk about what CoinPoker is, how you can get more benefits from using it, and how it can help you earn money and be financially free. We'll also cover how to avoid scammers while using CoinPoker. First of all, let's talk about what CoinPoker is. It's a platform that uses blockchain technology to ensure secure and transparent transactions. You can use USDT, CHP, BTC or ETH to deposit or withdraw from your CoinPoker account from anywhere in the world. But what makes CoinPoker stand out from other online poker platforms is that it's 100% decentralized. This means that the highly advanced RNG is fully decentralized, and as a player, you can view your impact on the card shuffling at any time. This is a groundbreaking feature that's the first of its kind in the industry. Now, let's talk about how you can get more benefits from using CoinPoker. The platform uses CHP as a bonusing fuel, which provides players with exclusive benefits and supports future developments delivered to community. You can use CHP to participate in tournaments and win huge promotions, giving away thousands in fiat value each week. CoinPoker is a community-focused brand, which means it offers the best possible promotions in the online poker industry. In the past, it has given away a Tesla, thousands of USDT, ETH, BTC, and millions in CHP, and it's just the beginning of what's to come. But with any online platform, there are always scammers lurking around. So let's talk about how to avoid them while using CoinPoker. One common scam is promotions on fake social media accounts. Twitter and Facebook are increasingly plagued with imitation accounts that look almost exactly the same as the brands you've come to know and trust. Whenever you see a post offering tokens, make sure you always check the poster's username to avoid falling into a trap. Another scam to look out for is fake e-wallet login pages. Always check the URL before entering your private keys or sensitive data, no matter how secure or familiar the page may look. Finally, there's the eBay paper wallet scam. Scammers sell account addresses for actual money on eBay, and the confused buyer transfers funds into the seller's account with no way of getting them back. Always keep your eyes open and report any issues you encounter. Now, let's talk about how CoinPoker can help you earn money and be financially free. With its decentralized platform, low fees, and huge promotions, you have the potential to win big and grow your crypto portfolio. And with the CHP bonusing fuel, you have exclusive benefits that give you an edge over other players. So, if you're interested in joining the CoinPoker community, make sure to sign up using my referral link www.coinpoker.info and you'll get a $10 bonus. Don't miss out on this opportunity to be part of the future of online poker. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to NFT Empire for more videos about the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology.